Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham, and for today's nail art, it's a collaboration between me and Isha from Design Your Nails by Isha. I'll be leaving the link for her channel below, so don't forget to check it out. So we both decided to do some ice cream nail art. I'm using this stamping plate to make an ice cream cone. Then I'm filling it in with colors. I'm painting the cone with light pink. Let's make it a vanilla flavored ice cream. For my next ice cream, I'm painting the cone with a light brown color. And as for the ice cream, let's make it special by applying 3 colors. Then I made another 2. So I did 4 ice creams. 2 with regular flavors, which is vanilla and chocolate, while the other 2 has 3 different colors each. After letting those 2 dry, I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nail. Wait for it to dry a bit, then stamp it. And of course, I also applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. And here's my work together with Isha's design. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, and don't forget to check out Isha's video for this kind of nail art too. Kindly hit like, share, and subscribe. If you want to have a YouTube collaboration with me, just leave it on the comment section or DM me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!